Scholars. Today is Monday, October 5th, 2020. In reading this week, we will be reading and listening to the story Real Cowboys, and we will be asking and answering questions. In math, we will be learning about subtraction. I hope you all have a magnificent Monday, and don't forget to stay tuned for Monday Meet.
Hey everybody, I'm Coach Travis. I do PE here at Auburn Early Ed. And fun fact about me is I have two kids, a little girl and a little boy.
All right, my name is Danielle Mason. I teach PE at Auburn Early Ed, and interesting fact is, because I own two goats.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Rule number 1, listen to the teacher. Rule number 2, make good choices. Rule number 3, follow directions. Rule number 4, raise your hand to speak. And rule number 5, be responsible, be respectful, and be safe. In our classroom, we are kind, we are honest, we give compliments, we laugh a lot, we make mistakes, we have big dreams, we work hard, we are family. Hey first grade, let's go ahead and hop into calendar. We're in the month of October, and let's take a look at our pattern. So far we have red circles and we have a vertical rectangle. I wonder what today will be. Do you think we're going to go back to circles? We're going to have another rectangle, or maybe we could have another shape. Gotta make those predictions. Today we have a red circle and the number 5. Mirrors. Now remember, anytime I do mirrors, whatever I do, I want you to do too. Mirrors. Yesterday was Sunday. Sunday. Today is Monday. Monday. Tomorrow will be Tuesday. Tuesday. Mirrors away. We need to move on over and fix our short date. So 10. 10 represents the month of October. When we're talking about our short date, we're always going to put 10 as long as we are in the month of October. Now, it's no longer the second. We need to change that. So go ahead and erase the 2. What should we put instead? We should put a 5. Mirrors. Long day. Today is Monday, comma. October 5th, comma, 2020. Short date, 10-5-20. Let's move over to days in school, place value. You guys came to school one more day, and guess what we need to do on this one more day? What do we need to do? Oh man, we filled up our very last unit, so we need to erase them all. Oof. So now we have 0 ones. And since that was all full, we need to color in one more 10 stick. How many 10 sticks do we have now? Count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 10s and 0 ones. Let's go ahead and count 5 10s. 10, 20, 30, 40. You guys have been in school for 40 days. Question, how many more days do you need to come to school until we can color in one more 10 stick? How many more days do you need to come to school? All right, while you're thinking about that, let's go to days in school 10 frames. Oh yeah, we finished another 10 frames. So far we have 1, 2, 3. We have 4 full 10 frames. Let's count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40. All right, back to our question. I asked you, how many more days do you need to come to school to fill out one more 10 frame? You need to come back 10 more days. Great job, guys. All right, sweet friends, we are in our calendar folder. You need your part whole sheet and a sheet protector. You need a marker, an eraser, and your Unifix cubes. Now remember, your parts are your 2 add-ins. So you're gonna have 2 numbers that make a whole. So check it out. Here is our first problem. Here is our first problem. I have 2 black cubes plus, how many pink cubes do I have? 3 equals how many? Move them all down. How many cubes do I have all together? Count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.